Hi guys! So today I am super excited. I feel a little grimy. I just got back from work, but I came home to my Boxycharm. This is January's box. I haven't looked at any spoilers this month yet, so I have no idea what's in here, and I'm really excited to dive right in, so let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so when you open up the box, we're gonna get the card. This month's theme is Rock 2018. I'm not gonna look at the back because I don't want to spoil what's inside the box, so I'm just gonna dive right in. So the first thing I see in here is this Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this looks really cool. Kind of goes with that whole rocker theme. So I'm gonna pull it out of this little sleeve here. It's made of cardboard, kind of like the kitten palette that we got. Let me grab it for you guys. Okay, so that palette has completely disappeared and I have no idea where it went, but this packaging reminds me of the, I think it's the Winky Lux palette that we got. It looks exactly like this, it's just pink. So let's open it up. Ooh. So these are really cool. These are super grungy, very rocker kind of colors. They all look like they have some kind of shimmer to them, except for this top right color called Black Metal up here. This looks like a black matte eyeshadow, which would be great to kind of throw on the outer corner of any of these looks to kind of smoke it out and make it look really grungy. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple of these for you guys just to see what they look like. The first one that's calling my name is Rebel. It's this middle gold color. These look super pigmented, guys. I'm really excited to play with this. I'm gonna swatch a couple more for you. I'm going to, I'm gonna swatch Punk, Rock On, and Glam Rock. And that's what they look like. These are really, really buttery. The formula feels really soft. And you get a really cool, almost metallic vibe going on with these, so I'm really excited to play with these and see what I can come up with. Dive into this little box right here. Let's see what I pull out. Like, I can't see it right in front of me. So this is from the Dr. Brandt line. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. For all skin types, an illuminating primer. So this looks really cool. I'm all about a luminous, glowy primer. My skin, it's combination, but it's definitely more on the dry side. So I definitely like primers or moisturizers or anything that's gonna give me a little bit more vibrancy and life to my skin. Definitely luminizing, that's great, I'm all about it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit right on my hand. So it comes out more like a moisturizer or a lotion. I put it right here. It doesn't really look like it has any luminous quality to it. It smells good. It smells very clean. I don't know. I'd have to try it. The consistency and the texture of it feels like something that I would definitely use. It's not too sticky, which I do like. And I feel like if you let it set and kind of sink into the skin for a minute or two, it would feel really smooth and act as a really good base for your foundation. So I'm excited to try it out. At this point, I don't know if you guys can see it right here. It definitely doesn't give any kind of luminous quality that I can see, but I am excited to see how this acts underneath foundation. So the next product I see is an IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil. My box came a little smushed, as you guys can see, but that's fine. Let's just hope the product inside has survived. So this is perfect, guys. This color is in Universal Taupe. Anytime I get a brow pencil, that's typically the color that I'll go for. I feel like it's a good kind of happy medium between my super, super pale skin and my dark hair. So I'm gonna open this up and see what it looks like. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell that this pencil is a pretty good quality. It feels very heavy and expensive. I'm not sure how expensive this is. I'm actually gonna look back at my card now so I can tell you guys. So the Glam Metals palette is $25. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer retails for $38, so that's a pretty pricey primer. And this Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil retails for $24, so definitely a more pricey brow pencil. My die-hard holy grail eyebrow pencil is the Brow Wiz by Anastasia in the color Taupe, so I'm curious to see how this holds up against that. I've tried pretty much every eye pencil or eyebrow pencil that you can buy, and I always go back to the Anastasia Brow Wiz, so I'm ready to put this up to the test. It has the spoolie on one side, and then on the other side it has the brow pencil. This is definitely quite a bit thicker than the Brow Wiz, and it has a oval shape to it. So that's the color right there. It's definitely the color that I gravitate towards with eyebrow pencils, but it feels a little bit firm. So I'm gonna have to play around with this and see how it fills in my brows. The next thing in here is the Pure Bronze and Brighten. What is this? Cheek palette. So in here it has a blushing glow, afterglow, and mineral glow. So I'm interested to see what's in here. The packaging feels nice. It's definitely a hard, thicker plastic. And they have some kind of seal on here. So, excuse me while I fight to get into this thing. Okay, never mind, that wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Usually when there's some kind of perforated plastic or seal on the packaging, it takes me forever to break into it. So once you open it, ooh, see, these look really nice. So it comes with this huge mirror, which I'm not gonna blind you guys with, and then you're gonna get these 3 powders. So it definitely looks like the complete package that you would need to do your bronzer, blush, and highlight. You get this really cool coppery blush color. This is definitely a more champagne colored highlight. And then you have your bronzer here. I can tell you right off the bat, these are definitely shimmery, all 3 of them. So if you're not a fan of shimmery bronzers or blushes, this probably won't be the palette for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them and see what the formula feels like. Okay, so these are super, super pigmented and super buttery. That's what they look like, guys. Can we just take a moment to look at that highlighter right in the middle? Okay. Let's see if I can find any room on this hand to swatch for you guys. I'm gonna work my way down the arm and we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, can you see these guys? Those are stunning. The blush is a little crazy, a little cray-cray, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna pull that off. You definitely need to use a light hand with this one, but the highlight is absolutely stunning. This bronzer here, to be honest, I probably won't use it as a bronzer. I definitely like to stay more on the matte side when it comes to bronzers. Okay, actually, now that I kind of wiped off the excess from picking it up with my fingers, these definitely look more wearable. I'm not as scared of them. The bronzer especially, it was a little bit scary swatching it with my finger. It was very pigmented, but now that I kind of wiped off the excess, I can see myself wearing this. I'm gonna have to play around with it. I will let you guys know what I think. Also guys, that Pure Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette retails for $34. Alright, and the last thing we have in this box is the Girlactik Matte Lip Paint. And right away I can tell that I'm gonna love this color. It looks like a deep brown nude, which I'm a big fan of. And really quickly, this retails for $23. So I'm gonna break into this box and see what we got going on. I am a huge lipstick fiend. That's one of my weaknesses. I love lipsticks. And this is so pretty. This is right up my alley. I swear if you open up my lipstick drawer, I'm gonna say like 80% of the colors are these dark brown nudes. So it smells like your typical vanilla, which I feel like most lip products smell like. Definitely a good vanilla. It's not too sweet, so I'm a fan of that. Has your standard doe foot applicator. And yep, super excited to wear this. That is a gorgeous color. You can wear that with pretty much any look. And this really smells good. This actually smells very similar to the Fenty face primer, if you guys have ever smelled that. I know that's a weird comparison, but they smell very similar. They have that nice soft vanilla scent. I'm curious to see what the formula is like on these. I feel like matte lipsticks can be a hit or miss, so we will find out. Also, did I mention that this matte lip paint was in the color Posh? Definitely did mention that before, so Posh. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see any reviews on any of the products that I got in this month's box, drop a comment down below and let me know. I'd be more than happy to. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. Join the Sameline Studio family. We're all weird and super awkward here, and that is perfectly okay. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.